This was the demand of my foundation. Ma'am, we want to carry forward your good practices and legacy. So can we have this? So Patiala has that engineering college.
Yes.
So that, what is the name?
Patiala, I don't know the exact
The very good name. So anyway, I'm going there tomorrow. So we are going from now universities, whenever here is experiential learning, आप बच्चों को भेजो, students को भेजो, और आप.
Can you mainstream the rural women to the urban society? Can the mainstreaming and equality be drawn between two women society? One is the one growing in urban India, जो औरतें कॉन्फिडेंट है, कॉर्पोरेट में काम कर रही है, और एक वो औरतें जिनको लेके आप चली हैं कि वो अपने लीडरशिप, इन दोनों का मेल हो सकता है कभी आगे जाके, that they will connect.
I don't like the idea कि इनको शहर आना पड़े कुछ लेने. मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो अपनी अपनी जो जगह पर है, उनके वहां पर अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिले और वहां साफ हवा में रहें और अपने घर में रहें, अपनी जमीन के साथ.
You hate pollution for sure.
साफ हवा में रहें और अपने, लेकिन बच्चे, मेरा मतलब है कि जहां पर भी हैं इनको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिले ग्रोथ के लिए और अच्छी हेल्थ में रहें.
So there is no need of new India, old India. Everything is same. Everybody can.
Rural and urban India can be an abundance of opportunities. It's the way they work. So हम लोग वही कोशिश कर रहे हैं इस वक्त.
Chapter 8 of your life is politics, power, and Kiran. How was your experience in the political corridor? You have experienced it differently behind the scene as an officer, then in the power. I don't know why you shifted your bench. What attracted you to get into the power and, you know, BJP, then how you had started with that campaign. And Arvind Kejriwal himself saying कि अच्छा है, मैं तो बोलता ही था politics में जाना चाहिए. How was the journey and then the governor?
I didn't join the Anna movement for politics.
It was just a movement.
It was an anti-corruption movement, sincerely. And therefore I broke away from it moment the group दो हिस्सों में बट गया. उनकी intention अपनी थी, मेरी intention was not politics.
Did you not know this पहले कि intent, उनका intent आप नहीं समझे जब आप campaign में?
It was a development. It was a sudden development over a period hidden, which was not visible. That's why Anna and I and VK Singh, etc., broke away.
Was it a setback for you as a human being to see that kind of a shift in intent?
It was a setback because हम लोग basically एक citizens vigilance group create कर रहे थे कि एक third voice of citizens vigilance which is non-partisan.
But बिना power के तो उनका कोई आवाज होता भी नहीं. So don't.
लेकिन वो movement was classic, जो कि it was truly national and it had become a national movement. But वो break away हो गया, वो एक बड़ी जबरदस्त opportunity lose हो गई. लेकिन मेरा straying into later on into politics was out of a compulsion, only with the reason that there was a situation in Delhi which it emerged to serve Delhi politically.
Yes.
And then I was assured that you stand politically, we'll administer it politically. You govern, you administer, and we will govern. I think that was the assurance at which, and then it was like saying, Delhi has given you so much, ab Delhi ko zarurat hai tumhari. So it was like for me a surrender, because politics, public service for me hamesha hi surrender raha hai. So lekin wo ek test tha, and I'm glad I went through that and I didn't stay on with it, because that was not my nature.
Was it tough?
Very, very tough. I think that was the toughest period of my life. When I went about campaigning and I saw so much of greed, selfishness, using people up completely, and I start to wonder, where am I getting stuck? It was very, very tough.
Did you never think
It was so transactional, so transactional. And my life has all been transformational, not transactional. So, but fortunately, it's only 30 days. And I experienced it for 30 days. And I realized किया कि मैं वाकई में I am at the right place. मेरी जहाँ पर हूँ, मुझे इस change की ज़रूरत नहीं. And luckily, I got defeated. And therefore, मैं rescue हो गई. अगर मैं जीत जाती, तो मैं फंस जाती.
This is your talking like जब कोई बुरे रिलेशन से बाहर आता है और बाद में रियलाइज करता है गुड दैट,
तो मैं फंस जाती. तो मैं फंसी नहीं. भगवान ने मुझे बचा लिया. भगवान ने मुझे टेस्ट करा दिया कि ये एक्सपीरियंस है.
You don't take it as a failure.
No, it was a great experience, जिसमें मुझे अपने काम की और भी कदर बढ़ी और मेरा मन उसमें और भी लगा कि ये मैं हूं ना, ये मैं हूं, मैं वो नहीं हूं. So वो life was not mine.
You didn't want to make the transformation there कि आप उनको बदल देंगी. पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम को change
उसके लिए यू हैव टू बी अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. उसमें भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है. पॉलिटिकल लाइफ में इट्स ऑल्सो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, बट आपको उसके लिए डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ
and there
पर्सन.
is a journey that you have to
हाँ, उसके लिए डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. वो मैं नहीं थी. मेरा वो नेचर नहीं थी. इसलिए मैं बहुत अच्छी है कि मैं अपनी नेचर को समझ के, मैं ही नहीं निकली, मुझे कुदरत ने बचाया, कुदरत ने वापस लौटा दिया.